Right, so here we have it, the holy grail of motocross bikes. The 1997 CR500, Honda CR500. What do you guys think? Is she looking good? Yeah, so we've restored this bike from zero. So we got the bike, and she'd been ridden a little bit, and we've took her completely in bits and done a full restoration. So we've done all the vapor blasting on all the aluminium parts, powder coated the frame. The key for this bike was to keep it as original as possible. We did do a little bit of restyling on the front fender. So we've got a modern front mudguard, and then the secret front number plate, as you can see. But we didn't want to go too far out of the theme of keeping it standard, keeping it original how it was. Another little thing what we've done, we've put a 19-inch rear rim, because these bikes come with an 18-inch rear rim. But modern motocross bikes got 19, a bit more stability for the tyre. And then we've gone for a FMF exhaust, the Boyson Factory Racing. It's just a cover, but looks factory. Cerakote all round, so we've got Cerakote on the brakes, on the triple clamps, the hub, XL rims. So it's got absolutely everything going for it. Engine's been rebuilt to a pristine condition. What more to say? It got Renthal twin wall 997 bars on there, a little bit more modern. And the idea for this bike was to not ride it, because it's like one of them very expensive bottles of wine where it just stays on the shelf, you know. But that idea might change. Let's wait and see. Brakes, we've updated, just put the standard size rotors on, but new. What more to say? Radiators as well. It's got modern radiators on, which I don't know if you guys will see in there. As you can see, all shiny. And then it's got the non-slip seat cover as well, which is a good upgrade. Nice cool graphic kits, Dunlop tyres. What more to say? Alright, so yeah, this bike's been done up by Dan Sport, and the idea was to just have it as a show bike and have it here in the workshop. But I've convinced the guys. So as we've been filming this, we've actually gone away and had a chat. Like, you can't not ride bikes. So something like this has to be ridden. Like I said before, like it's like a good bottle of wine, what people want to have on the shelf. But wine's to be drunk and bikes to be ridden. So we're going to take it for a spin. We're going to go to the motocross track and take this bad boy for a spin. So the next time you guys see it, hopefully it's out on track. Hope you enjoy.